chip breaker slot grinding machine from Colonial Saw for grinding slots in high-speed steel cold saws, carbide saws, or cermet tipped saws. The machine operates through an advanced pneumatic system that is controlled by a PLC controller. The key to the machine is the high-frequency spindle, which is air-cooled and can run from 0 to 50,000 RPM. The machine's control panel is fairly straightforward. On the buttons here, we allow the operator to index from the control panel or from the side of the machine, considering operator convenience. On the control panel, we can also offset the wheel left or right, depending on where we want the slot at the top of the tooth. We can downfeed the wheel into position pneumatically. We already showed you index. We have a tooth counter where we'll set the number of teeth so that the machine will know when it's complete. We can turn the wheel on and off, and we have variable wheel speed here. The auto cycle on and off button here. The emergency stop, and if there were the optional coolant system, you'd see coolant on and off here. Now we're going to set up to grind a carbide tipped saw. We're feeding the wheel offset left and right, feeding the wheel up and down, turning the wheel on. Now he's bringing the wheel down into place until he touches off, turning it into the auto cycle, and we're ready to slot grind. The machine ends when it completes its cycle, and you can hear the air cooling the spindle. It has a default setting where that will automatically shut off as well once it feels the